Just shot a beautiful performance at a theater, beautiful music performance, and the strangest, craziest thing happened. One of the lights exploded and fell onto one of the audience members, right onto her head. Bleeding, blood, madness, unexpected. Just 2-3 chairs away from where I was standing with my cameras. So， 我要问你，你要不要吃南瓜？我要吃。然后花椰菜要不要吃？我要吃啊。还有豆皮，或是那个火锅料。豆皮好了。香菇，医生帮我选一个香菇。你喜欢哪一种香菇？ OK， 我们先这个好了，好不好 ？Let's do it. So we decided to have hot pot for dinner tonight, and I haven't had hot pot for a long time. Hot pot or火锅is one of my favorite things to eat here in Taiwan. I made a video about Chinese New Year a few years back. In the video, I speak about hot pots. Check the video out. The link is right over here. Pretty good video. Chinese New Year in Taiwan is my favorite holiday. Food is coming. Check it out, baby. 没关系，可以来，没关系。哦，
这边帮你们送上樱桃鸭。
对，是鸭肉是吗？
樱桃对鸭肉，那跟你们做个介绍一下。
OK， 好。
汤滚下锅之后，不宜煮太久，不要煮太久，煮太久肉质容易老掉。所以建议你们。
锅炒。
不用太久，穿烫一下就可以吃了。
穿一下呢，我可以拿出来吃。
那这边是它的蘸酱，樱桃鸭蘸它比较蘸这个，鸭肉是蘸这个酱汁的部分。
哦，这个比较适合鸭肉。
对。
OK， 好，
谢谢。
谢谢。
那这是鲟龙鱼的部分，那鲟龙鱼我们建议水滚煮4到5分钟。
5分钟。
对。
好了，可以了。
那刚刚你的菜都上齐了，谢谢。
谢谢。Yes, no. Going back. So. What's cool about hot pot is the soup. The soup and two things are amazing about hot pot. The soup and the sauce. So I'll go take you on a tour about how you make your own hot pot sauce in a second. This sauce is, they made the sauce to go with the duck. And duck in hot pot is not something you see often. My wife, who's Taiwanese, has never had duck in hot pot. So pretty special that we're having duck in hot pot. But the cool thing about the hot pot, like I was saying, is the soup, because you're putting all this stuff into the hot pot, and then the soup gets more and more flavor as you keep cooking. And at the end, that soup is just amazing. And the sauce, you dip the food that you eat into the sauce, and that's just so full of flavor. I said 2 things. I'm going to change my mind. 3 things I love about hot pot. 3 things that are special about hot pot is community, because you guys, we all share around the same pot, and I love that. So, enough said. Let's eat some hot pot. This duck is amazing, and this duck, with the sauce they provided for the duck, goes so well together. It's amazing. It's a perfect sauce for this duck. One of the most fun parts of火锅is you get to make your own sauce. You can play with all the ingredients, ginger, soy sauce, even peanut butter. Just mix it up and you can make a different sauce. And it's the coolest part, the most flavorful part is when you take a bite of of whatever you're cooking, in this case dopey, and you dip it into your sauce and you eat that sauce. You have the freshness, but you also have the flavor from the sauce. It's great. It's great. Great way to eat. Good sauce. How's your sauce, my baby? Decent? 你的酱怎么样？满意吗？ I love hot pot. What do you think about hot pot? 这个叫 hot pot， 它的英文叫 hot pot。你对火锅有什么的感觉？对，0 to 10. 0 to 10. Okay, 10 is great. Okay, 0 is 像大便一样烂。So what do you think from 0 to 10? 8. 8. He gives hot pot an 8. I agree. I give it an 8. How about you?
To me, it's perfect now.
But as a meal? 9. There you go. Hot pot.
Hot pot.
Yes. Yeah. It's cold today. It's rainy today. This weather is the perfect weather to eat hot pot. And this, like I said earlier, this soup is going to be so good once we're done. Look at all this stuff. I got oysters, duck. I got so much goodness that's going to go into the sauce. And you can eat immediately. You don't have to wait. You just keep eating and eating, and it's such a dynamic and active way to enjoy a meal with friends and family. Hot pot. Check it out if you're ever in Asia.
我不知道怎么开始这边。
So this hot pot place is right near our house, just walking distance away from the house. We are currently walking back home and it's newly opened, and what an awesome place. I'm pretty sure we're going to be frequenting this hot pot place quite a lot. Anyway, I haven't made a vlog for a pretty long time, so a quick update on the vlog. I haven't made a vlog for quite a while. Because I've been busy with other projects, but I'm going to be back to making a vlog every 3 days. And besides making a vlog every 3 days, I also have 20 plus ideas for videos that I mentioned before in the previous vlog. So lots of videos are going to be coming out. Please subscribe. I have to think of something drastic, exciting, interesting, I don't know what, in order to get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That was my goal. If you could help me to achieve that goal, I would be very grateful. I am committed to this channel. So with that, thank you very much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe if you like or want to subscribe. If not, it's all good. So see you next time. Ciao for now. Bye.